Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Iswa. Today, I am going to start subject SPL of Standard 8, and this is on the topic Understanding Our Criminal Justice. Dear students, as we have discussed that what was the work of judge, what was the work of public prosecutor. Now we are going to discuss what is free trial. So basically, I am telling you in simple words that free trial is the decision which is given by the court on behalf of the petitioner and looking over through their religious background, their economic prosperity, their sex, their different scenario, different economic aspects. So these are the बेसिकली कंसिडर्ड एज फ्री ट्रायल, यानी किसी भी व्यक्ति का निर्णय जो है बिना उसके आर्थिक सामाजिक है ना, या वो अमीर हो या गरीब हो, इस दृष्टिकोण को देखे बिना जो है सही रूप से सारे साक्ष्यों को देखते हुए मद्देनजर रखते हुए जो भी निर्णय दिया जाता है उसे ही फ्री ट्रायल कहते हैं, निष्पक्ष निर्णय कहा जाता है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो इन द प्रीवियस सिनेरियो वी हैव सीन दैट हाउ मिसेज शांति शी इज गेटिंग द राइट डिसीजन wherever Mrs. Sinde she has just blaming Shanti that she has stolen her golden chain, but it was not true. We all knew that. And whether what it if we would be happen if there would not be a free trial, that the trial should be set in a sacred location where neither Shanti and nor the Sushil his brother should be present there. Or what should be happen if the lawyer advocate Roy Roy give enough time to question the witness of the prosecution of Mr. Sinde and instead has already decided that Shanti was guilty. See, this could be happened nowadays. We cannot ignore that this is also happening. But dear students, we have to understood, we have to realize ourselves, we have to realize the power which has been given by the constitution. We have to see that how the constitution is given, but we are not taking the benefit of that. As the article 21 which has been given by the constitution, and it mentioned that it guarantees the right to life, states of a person life or liberty can be taken away only if a following reasonable or just legal procedure. That means your article 21 which has been given by the constitution, that is mention you that you having the right to life, it can be only taken if it would be necessary and if it would be thinked that the right to life it should be taken from you. Otherwise it is given to all the public and it will remain with him to the whole life. As we know that Shanti, she was given the copy of charge sheet and other evidences that prosecution presented against her. It means Shanti, she got all the knowledge that what Mrs. Sinde has presented in the court and how she have to give the answer of that. Okay, now Shanti also charged with the offense of theft that was defined as crime in the law. Okay, as a thief case was logged in FIR, so Shanti was just blaming as theft, but the trial was in the open court and in public view. His brother Sushil attended the court hearings in presence of the accused. Okay, Shanti was defended by a lawyer, Mrs. Kamla Roy, and she also has opportunity to cross-examine all the prosecution witness. and जितने भी तमाम जो गवाह आए थे उनके साथ जो है उनका सवाल जवाब करने का अधिकार मिसेस रॉय को भी जो था वो दिया गया था, है ना। यानी कि रॉय जो कि क्या थे, पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ शांति, है ना, शांति की तरफ से राज्य के द्वारा अधिकृत किया गया एक सरकारी वकील थी, है ना। सी हैज़ डिफेंडेड एंड ऑल्दो द पुलिस फाइल द केस अगेंस्ट शांति, और पुलिस ने भी जो है शांति के खिलाफ केस फाइल कर रखा था। सो द जज एज्यूम्ड हर टू बी इनोसेंट, और जज यह कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो निर्दोष साबित हो जाए। इट वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन टू प्रूव बियॉन्ड रीजनेबल डाउट शांति वॉज गिल्टी, है ना। यानी कि और जो विपरीत पक्ष के जो मिसेस सिंधे के जो वकील थे, उनका ये मानना था कि इसे किसी तरह जो है वो दोषी साबित कर दिया जाए, है ना। तो इस जो केसेस में जो है वो प्रोसिक्यूशन यानी कि जो विपक्षी वकील है वो क्या होते हैं, फेल हो जाते हैं, है ना। और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एविडेंसेस यानी साक्ष्य जो कोर्ट में प्रस्तुत किया जाते हैं, उसके आधार पर जो है वो शांति को पूर्ण रूप से बरी किया जाता है, उसके पैसे लौटा दिए जाते हैं, और पुलिस को ये निर्देश भी दिया जाता है कि किस बिना पर जो है उन्होंने इसे गिरफ्तार किया, है ना। एंड दिस वॉच basically considered that it was seen that in front of the open court and in front of all the witness and in public view how the fair trial was taken place. Dear students, as we know, the constitution and the law both state that all person that we have discussed in this chapter should carry out their role in proper manner. It means that all they need to know that every citizen, irrespective of their caste, gender, religious, ideological background, gets a fair trial when accused. यानी किसी को भी जो है, किसी व्यक्ति को अगर दोषी ठहराया जाता है तो उसे जात, धर्म, सामाजिक, आर्थिक रूप से ऊपर उठकर जो है उसे न्याय मिलता है। कहता है कि द रूल दैट स्टेट्स दैट एवरीवन इज इक्वल इन बिफोर लॉ वुड नॉट मेक मच सेंस इफ सिटीजन वेर नॉट गारंटेड ए फेयर ट्रायल बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। यानी कहता है कि अगर इन चीज़ों की मायने नहीं रह जाती तो प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को जो अधिकार दिया गया है, यानी कानून के समक्ष जो है सारे व्यक्ति सेम है। आप स्टैंडर्ड 9 में पढ़ेंगे दैट इफ ए फार्मर हैज़ द सेम राइट्स देन ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज़ ऑल्सो द सेम राइट्स ऑफ आर्टिकल 21, है ना। वेयर एवर he is prime minister, that's why he is getting more securities. We will also get security, but there is the difference. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.